Another incredible Land Rover 110 just arrived into our stock. Beautiful example of this. I love the colour combination especially. It's a Hakuba silver with an Acorn leather interior, giving it a lovely contrast. This is a 2021 71 plate, covered just 3,000 miles with a full Land Rover factory black pack, that being the roof, the wheels. It's a really, really lovely thing in a new condition. But over and above all that, it's got a tilt and slide panoramic sunroof, it's got keyless entry, and it's got a removable tow bar. So you don't need to go and fork out for that. It's on the truck. Big saving for you. A lot of people do want to pull something with a 110, giving you all the space you'll need from a four-wheel drive, on-road or off-road. This example is stunning. It's also got the roof rails in gloss black, but let's walk around from the front. So Hakuba silver, the newest Land Rover colour they do. We've got the 110 bonnet decal, which is nice, black Defender badging, black insert into the front, and then with a silver car you get that lovely section at the bottom, all colour coded, so it does match in very well. Black light surrounds, black bonnet insert and black wing insert. You'll see we've got the fixed side steps, the 19-inch gloss black wheels, black mirror casings, black roof, and those gloss black roof rails. Colour-coded door handles with the keyless entry. It has got some lovely features in a new condition with 3,000 miles on. Even at the rear end, we've got the colour-coded spare wheel cover, LED rear lights, soft closing rear door, and we've got a factory tow bar, which is removable with electrics, situated under here. So everything's in place, and it is stunning. Look at the space you get in the back of the 110. So, and what I love about it, you get a lot of space in the depth of this boot, so there's no slope to the back. It has got a lovely load area in there. Like I say, look at this, in brand new condition. Soft closing rear door, as so. Lovely LED modern square tail lights. And then into the inside, the combination of this is lovely. Beautiful Acorn leather interior. The most modern interface from Land Rover as well. Digital dashboard. You've got the full 3D surround view camera system. The panoramic sunroof in this is a big, big feature. Not just the glass roof, it's the tilt and slide sunroof. So much going for it, this Defender. Land Rover warranty, of course, until late 2024. And it looks great. That's the thing, what people want about these Defenders. It's the exterior styling, it's the look with the steps as well. Beefs it up, but they are functional, helping me get in and out of this truck. It is high up driving position, so they are really, really useful. We've got lane departure and cruise control, Bluetooth controls, and the full digital interface, which is switchable behind the steering wheel. The reversing camera, always super impressive in these things, popping it up into reverse with the trigger. You see we've got the reverse camera, full 3D surround view camera system with a top view camera. It is really impressive stuff, and it is something you will use on a daily basis. It is a big thing whether you're parking it, using it off-road. It has an off-road camera. It also has the towing camera, which is useful when we've got the tow bar, and you see we've got the guidelines all there. Digital climate control, driver and passenger. Push that, your seat selections, heated front seats, heated front and rear windscreen, air suspension. It's got it all. In a brand new condition, it doesn't come much better, and will mention it again, I love the colour combination, that Acorn interior against the Hakuba silver with the black styling. It is a truly exceptional example. My name's Richard, you can call me on my number on the screen. Look forward to speaking to you. Thanks for watching.